Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. You will end up on the official page of your Western Union's account. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Western Union account will appear on the screen. Click on menu icon at the top right corner of the page. Now to log out of your Western Union's account, from the drop down, tap on Logout option. It will log you out of your Western Union's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Western Union's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.